today I'm going to be destroying the brand new Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, so today I woke up this morning, received my Amrezy palette, fell in love with it, and decided I'm going to destroy it today. So today I'm going to be taking the end of this hair comb, which is used to part your hair, and just literally dig so deep into this palette and completely destroy it. Let's go. Okay guys, so the first color I am going to destroy is Wasted. So let's just jump right in. Oh, this palette is so pretty. Ooh, this one's like really rocky and powdery. Up next, we're going to destroy Barb, which I'm kind of excited to see how it comes out. I'm hoping for like a firework effect. Just kidding. But really though. Ooh, this one looks really pretty, guys. Ooh, it looks like this is like salty. Ooh, this one looks so cool. Is it weird if I find this satisfying? This one looks really cool. Okay, I feel like this one is gonna look super pretty. That looks so cool. You guys, it almost looks like 3D. This one is Cupcake, by the way. Ooh, this looks like so pretty and metallic. It almost looks like an amethyst rock. Up next is Dragon. This one's obviously gonna be so pretty. Ooh, it almost like changed color. This one is gonna look so cool. It's gonna look like the ocean or something, I bet. I don't know, in like a Bali or Bora Bora or something. I don't know. Ooh, it actually looks kind of like a crayon. This one is gonna be so cool, you guys. This is Gemini. Oh my gosh. This one reminds me of like magnets that are getting moved around. Like, do you guys know what I'm talking about? Like in like 3rd grade science where they teach you guys like how magnets work. That's what this one reminds me of. Okay, this one I want to do in a heart. Oh, how cute. And now it's not. Just kidding. Okay, I feel like this one would be really cute to do in a heart. This is Reezy. So cute. Okay, this is literally like Barbie lipstick chopped up. That's what this one looks like. This one looks like a Barbie lipstick that would be sold by like MAC or something. Oh, this palette looks so cool. This reminds me of like, I forgot what it's called, but there was like that magnetic sand that they would sell online. That's what this reminds me of when I chop it all up. This is by Anastasia, or this one is called Anastasia. And this one, like, really darkened, I feel like. Okay, next we have New Yorker. Let's do a star. Oh my gosh, this one literally looks like real sand. Interesting how this one is a lot less messier than the others. Okay, now next is OG. Let's make this one look like a present. Then you got like the bow. So cute. No, it's not. This one reminds me of like mud, like dried up mud. Cute. Okay, up next we have Semza. Oh my gosh, I feel like this one just turned like dark purple. That is so cool. You would literally like never know. Okay, up next is 1988. Okay, this one looks like cocoa powder. I'm just gonna say it looks like cocoa powder or like hot chocolate powder. Like before it turns into hot chocolate. Okay, next we have BK. Whoa, there's like some depth of color to this one. That is really cool. I almost see a green, but I don't know, that could be the lighting. Whoa, this looks like a literal black hole. This is crazy. Okay, and the last we have Yugo. Whoa, this color is so pretty. Okay, so now that my palette is completely destroyed, I'm just gonna go throw it away now. Now everybody hold up. Did we really think I was gonna really destroy such a beautiful palette and not put it back together? You guys know me way better than that. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to fix a shattered eyeshadow palette. Let's jump right in. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to put the palette back together. Basically all you need is clean, dry hands. So I literally like just washed my hands after destroying the palette because I did get some eyeshadow on my hands. Do keep a couple like paper towels next to you in case you need to like wipe off any excess eyeshadow. Anyways, let's just get started. So we are going to start with Wasted. So you kind of just want to push all the eyeshadow like back into the pan first, just so that you can like keep everything a little bit organized. And then just start pressing. Again, this is like not gonna look perfect, but it will definitely get the job done. Okay, so in my completely humble and honest opinion, if your palette fell and shattered and you were able to get it back to this, I feel like that is nothing short of a miracle. Like, literally, it just looks like that you use your palette. Like, nobody would actually question that you had to repress these yourself. Like, this is just, it looks like that you use your palette. That's literally all it looks like. So yeah, this is how I press my pans back in if they do shatter. I did learn this trick kind of recently, and I will even show you guys if I hit it, it doesn't crack. So, and I even tested this earlier on a different palette. I completely dropped it, like really harsh, like 6 times, and none of them cracked. So this is my way to go, and you are not going to mess with the formula by using any rubbing alcohol, or in my previous experience, you are not going to actually completely ruin the formula by using rubbing alcohol. So this works. This is a really nice trick. I've only tried this on eyeshadows. I fortunately haven't had a blush or bronzer or powder crack on me recently, but if it does, I am not afraid to use this method and just kind of try it out. I was so confident in this method that I literally did it on a brand new $49 palette, and that was a little scary, not gonna lie, guys. And I am 100% satisfied with how everything came out. And so yeah, here we go. Okay guys, so to be completely honest, I absolutely love and adore this palette, and I really hope that this video kind of showed you guys how to put an eyeshadow back together if this unfortunate event ever happens to you and your eyeshadow palette or the eyeshadows in your palette ever crack. This is how I fix my eyeshadows. I find it to be really super easy, almost incredibly timeless. Like, it literally takes a couple seconds to fix one pan of eyeshadow. It's really not that hard. I've used rubbing alcohol in the past, and I've done other ways that people have recommended how to fix broken eyeshadows and broken powders, and honestly, I end up putting too much in it, and then it ends up just totally ruining the consistency. So I find that just honestly pressing it back in just with my clean hand works the best for me, and I hope that this works for you guys. Sorry if I scared any of you guys out there. Just a disclaimer, I absolutely love the Amrezy palette, and I have nothing against Amrezy. I think this palette is super beautiful, and I'm literally in love with it. This might be my new favorite palette ever. I just really love all the beautiful pops of color in it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!